of our time demand more declaratory commitments. They call for coordinated, institutionalized, and sustained action. In this regard, I propose that key multilateral forums, including the Arab League, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, the Parliamentary Union of the OIC Member States, PUIC, and the Interparliamentary Speakers Conference, ISC, should synergize their efforts to establish a coherent and effective framework for dialogue, mediation, and peaceful dispute resolutions. Pakistan's Parliament, ready to play a proactive and leading role in this collective endeavor. As representatives, institutions, Parliament possess both the legitimacy and the responsibility to shape narratives, influence policy, and promote peace at the global level. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan was founded on the principles of Islam, peace, tolerance, and service to humanity. These values continue to guide our national outlook. We believe peace is upheld not merely by strength, but by justice, restraint, and responsibility. In this spirit, Pakistan responds through Operation Marka-e-Haq, Bunyanul Marsus, reflects a measured, lawful, and principled approach, defending sovereignty while upholding our commitment to peace. Our actions reaffirm that while Pakistan priorities dialogue and stability, it remains resolute in safeguarding its security and dignity. In conclusion, this conference embodies the true spirit of Pegham Islam, a call for unity, understanding, and peaceful coexistence. Let us move beyond divisions, transform discord into dialogue, and work collectively for a world defined by peace, stability, and shared prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan stands ready not only to support this noble cause, but to lead by example. May Allah guide us all towards unity, wisdom, and lasting peace. Assalamu alaikum. Pakistan Zindabad.
आप सब दोस्तों का जिनकी इस नशिस्त में तकारीर थी, चूँकि वक्त कम है, उनसे माजरत करते हुए और दुआ के लिए मैं एक बार फिर मुफ्ती आज़म फ़लस्तीन से अर्ज़ करूँगा और इसके बाद इंशाअल्लाह आपके लिए जो मुमकिन ज़ियाफ़त है वो होगी और उसके बाद इंशाअल्लाह आप लोग अपने अपने सालिमीन गानिमीन घरों को वापस जाएंगे। मैं अपनी तरफ से इंटरनेशनल ताज़ीम हरमैन शरीफैन कौंसिल की तरफ से, पाकिस्तान उलमा कौंसिल की तरफ से आप सबको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। मुफ्ती साहब दुआ फरमाएंगे।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अव्वलन